Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're going to be doing is taking a look at Scheps' Snare EQ trick. Scheps is a well-known sound engineer who has been working with such great musicians as Red Hot Chili Peppers, Metallica, Adele, and many more. If you want to learn from Scheps, you can check out his videos and courses on Pure Mix. The link will be in the info box of this video. So, in today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at Scheps' Snare EQ trick. So, first of all, let's have a listen to our snare. For our Scheps Snare EQ trick, we're gonna be using Waves Audio Scheps 73, which is an emulation of NIF console. So first of all, let's start EQing our snare with high pass filter. So in this case, we're gonna be cutting some lows around 80 Hz. Now let's try to create a good top end for our snare by boosting highs and by boosting high mids to our taste. So now we have a good top end for our snare, and by boosting lows, let's try to add some body to our snare. And finally, if we want to add some saturation to our snare, we can use input and output levels in a link mode, and in this case, in a link mode, we can level match our input and our output. So now by using input and output, let's try to add some saturation to our snare. And also to add some saturation to our snare, we can use preamp. So now let's have a listen to our snare with and without Scheps 73. So by using this trick, you can make your snare sound fat and punchy in any mix. So now let's have a listen to our snare in the mix with and without Scheps 73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you want to learn from Scheps, you can check out his videos and courses on Pure Mix. The links will be in the info box of this video. And see you next time.